Aleta Unboxing Takeover Edition.
Welcome back to my channel, where I spend lots of money on things that I probably don't need.
Alright, so Aleta is a glutton for punishment, and she's been here 10 minutes and she's already started spending money. So she got the Wishables. Katie opened a Stitch version like this, but it has Marie. I don't know, how do you say that? Toulouse. I'll let you read them off.
I think it's Toulouse.
These are your unboxing. You tell us about it.
We got Duchess, we got Thomas O'Malley, and I think it's Berlioz. I never say his name correct. I'm honestly just fighting for my life for Marie or Duchess.
Did you get anything else, or just two of the cats? I can't remember.
I got these two, and then I got a treat for Danny because he loves Winnie the Pooh.
Nice.
And then I got this.
Oh, and you did end up getting that one.
This one looked a little bit better than the other one. I don't know if it was just like scratched up or something, but
nice.
You know, here we go.
All right, let's see what we got here. You're hoping for Marie, and then you'll stop.
If I get Marie, I'm done.
But you can return this if you haven't opened it yet. So if you get Marie the first time. But you're gonna want Duchess too, I bet. So let's see.
I want to see because I don't even know what they really look like. So I don't even know if they're cute or if they're like.
Well, the Marie has the bow. Otherwise, I wouldn't know the difference between Marie and Duchess.
There's white.
Oh.
I see white.
Oh, let's see. Let's see what you see. Can we look in the camera?
I see white. I see white. I don't know what one it is.
It's not wrapped though, so let's see.
Do I just rip the dang box? I don't even know what you're supposed to. Oh wait.
Yeah, I think you can just pull. Yeah, I think you just pull it back like a pull tab. Like the other way, like stick your finger in and pull that, like it's perforated, the star.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Is there a bow? Is there a bow? Oh.
Okay, I'm not upset. She's very cute though.
That is really cute.
She's precious. I might actually try to get all of them, because they are really cute, and I do like cats.
Alright, are you gonna cheat on this one too, or are you gonna...
I realized that I probably should have gotten a different box, because it looks like someone might have tried to open this already.
Oh. See, white and bow is what we're white with a pink bow.
No, I think it's the Thomas O'Malley one. So someone might have opened this. Yeah, so I feel like someone might have snooped when they opened this and saw that it was orange. I probably should have gotten a different box. That was on me. But look, they're a little happy couple together.
That is cute, but you still have to hunt for Marie now. Oh, and there is. Well, no, it's Duchess.
I did.
How many more did you buy?
3.
Oh my god.
That's besides the point. The point is, they are $14 with my discount, so it could be worse, right?
Let me see. So you have a chance to get all of them now.
That's why I bought 3 more.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
The cast members swear they said they feel it. They feel Marie is in one of these.
All right.
So if it's not, then I don't know what to believe in it.
Well, if you can't believe a cast member, then
I wish.
Did Katie just call? Did she say she was on her way?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, let's see what we got here. You're cheating. White? Is it Duchess again?
Yeah.
Oh. Duchess.
It was close enough-ish. But I wish there was a way to trade them because
I thought I heard at some point there was somewhere where they could trade that. I'm sure you can. There's groups online or something that you can trade with people.
I'm gonna be really sad though if it's another Thomas O'Malley.
Even more so if it's another Duchess.
Okay, listen. At least it's different, right? We've got my little tooth.
All right.
I mean, he's really cute.
So now you're only missing Marie and
Berlioz.
So gray or white we're hoping for. Gray or white with a bow. She's peeking.
Oh, thank goodness.
Uh-oh, is it Marie?
No.
Oh, it's the gray one. So you got all of them except the one you want. And you're like, yes.
Okay, but I didn't want another one of these guys.
I gotcha. So Who knows? Maybe you can find someone else opening them that gets 2 Maries too. So
Right.
you have to just hang out and watch people open stuff.
Should I just walk around with my children? Marie! They're so cute.
The hell are. What happened now? She walked in to show her
I
cats.
showed them my little children, and they said, one more. Just do one more. So I said, all right, bet. They swear this has to be it.
Do they?
It's probably not.
Well, you have a 1 in 5 chance it is.
But I had a fun story of being peer pressured by cast members to spend money.
All right, let's see here.
It's white.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna. No.
You got it.
Way.
That's
Wait,
awesome.
now I have to go tell them.
Good, then take the whole...
Now I have my amazing.
What is it? A caboodle of kittens? What
yes,
is
my
that?
caboodle. My caboodle of kittens. Oh wait, that's. Hold on.
They have to go in a certain order.
Yes.
Man, you really don't like him. You got him in the back.
Well, because they're the older cats. These are like the little kittens.
That is cute though. That's going to be the cover
I
picture.
hope this is your thumbnail. But we got this. Options were I could either buy 2 or I could buy a case. Normal people buy 2, I buy a case. I really want, obviously, my Queen Marie.
All right, so let's see what we have here.
I have no idea what this mystery one is, but here are options. I obviously am looking for my Queen Marie.
Yes.
Would not be upset if I got the 3 Aristocats.
Okay.
And then I would love to just have the Cheshire for James, and then I really could care less what else I have.
All right, we're ready.
Okay, they all include a very special card. My hope is that I don't have a duplicate. I don't know. I guess I would just think that they wouldn't give you duplicates, but maybe I'm wrong. I just tried this one first.
Yeah. Number 1.
Well, they're also wrapped.
Okay. Does it show you who it is?
Yes!
No. No.
Okay, I can return the rest.
She did say there were no returns, so I'm sorry.
That's okay. I just think that's so funny.
Is it really?
Like, it is for sure her.
So, first box, out of the gate. Let's look at her.
She's an icon, she's a legend, she is the moment.
Are they fuzzy?
They're fuzzy.
Okay.
Oh my god.
They've got a little fuzz to them. So
She has like a
cute.
little paw bed.
Yeah,
This
and they
is
all
not
have a
fuzzy.
bed.
This is so precious.
Yeah, they are fuzzy.
Well, and that concludes our opening.
And she's happy.
Now I'm so pleased. Okay. So ideally I would just...
And I'm just letting you know, if you would have bought the 2 boxes, neither of them would
They
have
probably
been.
would've Okay, so then my hope now is just to get the other 2. And I can have cute little Aristocats.
Okay.
Oh, should I look at the card or should I not?
I think not. It's like a Labubu.
I didn't know. Very. Okay, so something purple.
A bed with purple on it. Maybe Dinah? Is that Lucifer? All right, let me hold that Lucifer in my hand. Guys, look at him.
Got a cute little card.
Okay. That's number 2. 6 more.
I'm just totally ripping these boxes to show.
Yep.
Okay, and look at the card and just make sure it doesn't fall out.
She has to find the little tear spot.
I keep thinking this is gonna magically reveal something, and it doesn't.
No, it is.
She's so cute.
She's so cute.
I think that's Dinah, right?
Let's look on the outside. Does it say?
I guess I could look at the card now.
That is Dinah.
She's an icon too.
Okay.
Listen, I'm not upset. Alright, we've been doing this side. Let's do one of these.
We're ready.
So we'll walk together.
Because they have to the card. Shuffle that out.
That one seems like a fat one.
It did.
Okay, I do have to say, Yzma is adorable. He's like going, there we go. All right, Yzma. Yzma's bed would be James's favorite bed.
Yes.
Because it looks Minnesota Vikingsy.
Well, no duplicates so far. That's awesome, right?
Yep. And you got your girl. First box. It was like it was meant to be.
Look at the card. I almost did on accident because I got stuck. Okay. This has got to be Figaro, right? Or Fishbowl?
You would think so.
Or
Yeah?
yeah, Figaro. I was like, is that Figaro?
Yes, it is.
I thought Figaro had like black fur, unless that's what it's
It's gray.
gray.
All right, so looking at the box, she has the top three. She has Yzma, Figaro. She needs Cheshi, Toulouse, and
Berlioz,
Berlioz.
which I would be so down.
Did you see the card yet?
What?
Did you see the card?
I'm getting nervous as we get down to the bottom that I really want the other Aristocats.
Yeah.
The bed tells me nothing, but it's cute.
It's cute. But
It's like
yes. Okay, and I do have to say,
so cute. Look at his piano.
every single bed is different.
Look at this icon.
Look at that with his little piano.
This is Toulouse, right?
No,
Or is this Berlioz?
Berlioz.
I always get the other two confused. I'm sorry. I'm a bad Aristocats fan. Listen, I get blind when I see memory, and then hopefully one of them is Toulouse.
Yes.
Toulouse, please be in here.
What is Toulouse holding? Does he have toys?
I looked at the box. I shouldn't have.
And look at how cute. Hold on. Look at that. What is he holding? Yarn? No, little toy cat toys.
Or are they like? Is it paint that he's like pushed like?
Party paint. Oh, I don't know. Here, I'm gonna hold it
Almost look
closer.
like paint tubes. No.
It is definitely paint tubes. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that on. They are little paint tubes that he's stepping on. All right.
Okay, I'm stressing now. We got everybody but Cheshire. So if there's no duplicates, that has to be Cheshire, or it's the mystery one,
Okay.
or it's a dupe. But I feel like they don't put dupes together. No.
I don't know.
If they do, I am very lucky that I did not get any dupes.
Yeah. All right, last one.
As excited as I am for the mystery, I hope it's Cheshire. It's the Cheshire Cat. with his little mushrooms.
Oh. Ooh, look at that little cheshy smile. Okay, but I really want to know what the mystery is now.
Yeah, now I want to know.
We're gonna have to look it up, but they are pretty cute. Way to go, Aleta.
The Aleta unboxing takeover has now ended.